how to add email on Zendesk. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an email on Zendesk. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to zendesk.com. Once you're on the home page, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Now enter your Zendesk email and password, then hit Sign In again. Once you're signed in, locate the Zendesk products icon in the top right corner and click it. From the drop-down menu, select Admin Center. Now inside the Admin Center, look toward the left-hand panel and click on Channels. Under Channels, click on Email. Now on the right side, click the button that says Add Address. A new pop-up or section will appear where you can type the new email address you want to add. Type the email carefully and double-check for any typos. Once you're sure, click the Add or Save button to confirm. Zendesk may now ask you to verify the email address. Just follow the instructions sent to that inbox. And that's it. The new email is now added to your Zendesk account for ticket communication.